back. Got the minivan all done this morning, all ready to go home. We're gonna pick it up tomorrow. It turned out pretty good. I clean the thing every year, so they don't let it get too bad. So, see it once a year. Been a busy morning. Got this done and little coffee and cars this morning. I have a video for that later on. Short video. Didn't stay long. I had to come back and finish this up. Turned out pretty good. Yeah, get her all closed up and put her back up and get in the morning. Couple of other projects going on today. Gotta go start on and finish up, and, you know, same routine. Start one, finish one up. It's all done, ready to go home. All right, catch you later.